Encantado de conocerte, nice to meet you. ¿Cómo te va todo? How is everything going? Hace tiempo que no nos vemos, long time no see. Si no te importa, if you don't mind, serías tan amable. Would you be so kind? Con permiso, excuse me. Te lo agradezco mucho, I really appreciate it. Eres muy amable, that's very kind of you. Es un placer, it's a pleasure. Que tengas un buen día, have a nice day. Siento interrumpir, sorry to interrupt. No ha sido mi intención, it wasn't my intention. Te pido disculpas, I apologize to you. ¿Me harías un favor? Would you do me a favor? Después de usted, after you. Buen provecho. Enjoy your meal. Te lo agradezco mucho, I really appreciate it. Eres muy amable, that's very kind of you. Es un placer, it's a pleasure. Que tengas un buen día, have a nice day. ¿Le importa si me siento? Do you mind if I sit? Perdona que te moleste, sorry to bother you. ¿Podrías repetirlo? Could you repeat that? No te molestes, don't bother. Mil gracias, a thousand thanks. Salud, bless you. Te lo agradezco mucho, I really appreciate it. Eres very amable, that's very kind of you. Es un placer, it's a pleasure. Que tengas un buen día, have a nice day. ¿Me permites un momento? Could I have a moment? Ha sido un gusto, it's been a pleasure. Cuídate mucho, take care, bienvenido, welcome. No hay problema, no problem. Me alegro por ti, I'm happy for you. Disculpe las molestias, sorry for the inconvenience. Hasta la próxima, until next time. Te lo agradezco mucho, I really appreciate it. Eres muy amable, that's very kind of you. Es un placer, it's a pleasure. Que tengas un buen día, have a nice